Hey there, I'm Rachel with McKee Homes here at the Walk at East Village, where we build more than just homes. We build life-changing moments. Follow me and check out all the amenities this community has to offer. Come take a dip to cool off and get your suntan on at our outdoor pool. You can get fit and stay active in our fitness center and private workout space. Let your creativity shine in our arts and crafts room. Come and watch the game, shoot some pool, some darts, and play some ping pong with the boys in the sports lounge. Get your steps in at the paved walking trails. Watch your new home come to life from the ground up here, or even here.